Welcome to the LeetCode coding interview questions. Move zeros. Here's the problem statement. Given an array nums, write a function to move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. We have to solve this problem in constant space complexity. Okay, so we have to solve this problem by modifying the array in pledge. If you're given this import, then what we should return, right? So first we have 1, then we have 3, then we have 12, then 0, then 0. Okay, we should return this array, right? How we can solve this problem? Also, we have to solve this problem in bigger of n time complexity. Okay, let's see how I think about this problem. If you're given this particular array, then we'll start searching the non-zero element. Here we see non-zero element 1, so we'll replace this element at 0th index. So we have at 0th index value 0, so we're going to replace it with the value 1. Okay, then we see we have 0, then we see non-zero element. So then we're going to replace the element at index 1. Okay, so we're going to replace this 1 with 3. Alright, then we see 12 is also non-zero element, so we're going to replace this 0 with 12. Then we see we're left with the 2 element. Then we're going to just replace the 2 element with zeros. Okay, and this is our modified array, right? And this is how we're going to solve this problem. Now let's see pseudocode. First, I'm going to declare a function move zeros that takes an array nums. For sake of understanding, let's assume this is our given array. Then we have a variable current equals to 0. It will points to the first element in our array, right? So it will point right over here. Then we're going to run a loop for I from 0 to len nums minus 1. Then we're going to check if the current element is equals to 0. For first iteration of this loop, we see the element is 0. So this condition is not match. Then for next iteration, we have 1, right? So this condition match. Then what we're going to do, we're going to just change this 0 to 1. Okay, so let's replace this 0 with 1. Alright, then we're going to change current to this element right over here. For next iteration, we have 0. So this condition is false. Then for next iteration, we have 3, right? So this condition is match. Then we're going to replace this 1 with this 3. Then we're going to change the current to this element. Alright, current will point right over here. Then we have the next element 12. So it matches this if statement. Then it reflects this 0 with 12. Okay, so we're done with this loop. Now let's fill up this 2 element with zeros. For that, we have another loop here for I from current to len nums minus 1. Okay, then nums I equals to 0. So it will replace this element with 0, and also it will replace this element with 0. Alright, at the end, we have this modified array, and that is our answer, right? This is our solution to this problem. The solution will take bigger of n time complexity, where n is the length of the given array, and it also takes constant space complexity. Hope this concept was clear. If you have any suggestion, if you have any question, let us know. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.